Best Air Fryer for 2023. Hi guys, today we're diving into healthy and convenient cooking with the incredible air fryer. We've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research. The 7th product on our list is the Ninja DZ 401 Foodie Air Fryer, the most expensive. This premium air fryer is packed with high-end features and cutting-edge technologies. It is an extra large air fryer with 2 separate baskets to prepare 2 meals simultaneously. It boasts a large cooking capacity of 10 quarts for families or entertaining guests. It also has advanced digital controls, pre-programmed cooking modes, and a touchscreen display that makes it user-friendly. It has additional accessories and attachments for versatile cooking options, including a dual-zone air fryer, 5-quart baskets, non-stick crisper plates, 15 recipes, additional meal options, and cooking charts, and a cord length of 81.28 centimeters. This air fryer includes 6 versatile cooking programs: air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. However, the luxury comes at a price, making it the most expensive option among the 7. Its pros are: 1. It is easy to use. 2. It is also easy to clean. 3. Its value is worth the price. Its cons are: 1. It is more expensive than the other air fryers in this list. 2. It is a large device. This air fryer is the best air fryer to use if you need a kitchen appliance with a large cooking capacity, and it provides top-tier features. Moving on to the 6th product on our list, the Philips Premium Air Fryer HD 9741/56. It is a programmable air fryer that takes little or no oil to fry foods. This air fryer with fat removal technology reduces and captures excess fats in foods. Its capacity is 4.1 quarts, and it has rapid air technology with no preheating needed. The digital interface with preset cooking programs for one-touch cooking of frozen fries, meat, fish, and chicken drumsticks is easy to use. It has a quick control dial set for both temperature and cooking time. It also has a multi-cooking technology that bakes, grills, hydrates, and dehydrates. Its pros are: 1. Cleaning is simple. It doesn't take a lot of effort to clean too. It is pretty easy to use. Its con is: 1. It isn't quiet. The air fryer can be a little loud while in use. But wait, there's more. Do you want a premium and upgraded air fryer? Then this is the best product for you. Cosori Pro Gen 2 air fryer, the 5th product on our list. This air fryer is the upgraded version with stable performance and a sleek new look. The product has even heating technology, a detachable basket, one-touch cooking, and 13 cooking functions. This product has a large cooking capacity that can prepare meals for 5 people, and it has a 5.8 quart square basket that can fit a whole 5-pound chicken. The extra space provides more cooking capacity and flexibility than round designs. The air fryer also has a built-in NTC sensor that helps adjust the cooking temperature to ensure the food is evenly cooked. It also includes a cooking manual with over 100 recipes to enhance users' cooking skills. The removable Dishwasher Safe baskets have a non-stick coating, making cleanup quick and easy. Its pros are: 1. The product's temperature can be controlled. 2. It aids convenience for healthier cooking. Its con is: 1. The product manual is challenging to understand. Still haven't found an air fryer that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. The 4th product on our list is the Emerald Legas Power Air Fryer. This air fryer has a stainless steel build, and it's a multifunctional product with 12 preset cooking functions that let you choose what you want to cook and how. It has a 360-degree quick cook technology and 5 super powerful heating elements, meaning your meals cook evenly on all sides in a whirlwind of superheated air for crispy, delicious flavors. This all-in-one air fryer, rotisserie, and dehydrator oven provide long-lasting versatility and a large 930 cubic inch capacity. It also includes a crisper tray, rotisserie spit, pizza rack, baking pan, drip tray, and cookbook with various recipes. Its pros are: 1. It is versatile, capable of performing different functions. 2. It is comfortable to use. Its con is: 1. It takes work to clean after use. And that's not all. The third product on our list is the Philip Premium Air Fryer. This air fryer has a fat removal technology that separates and captures excess fat. It is a double extra large product that can fit in a whole chicken or 1.4 kilograms of fries to satisfy hungry family or friends, and serves up to 6 portions with the sizable 7. 3L capacity pan. The air fryer also has a keep warm mode to keep the meal warm and at the ideal temperature for up to 30 minutes. It has a digital preset option with 5 cooking programs. It comes in 2 varieties of color, black and white. The air fryer is dishwasher safe, including removable parts and a quick clean basket to save time. This air fryer is instantly hot and ready to go in seconds, cooking 4 times faster than a conventional oven. With no preheating needed, you can save time and start cooking immediately. It also grills, roasts, bakes, reheats, dehydrates, and toasts, taking on the role of multiple kitchen appliances, even toaster ovens. Its pros are: 1. Easy cleanup with dishwasher safe components. 2. They are energy efficient and cook food faster. Its con is: 1. Noise level during operation, though not overly loud, can be noticeable. Get an air fryer today to elevate your cooking. Take advantage of these must-have kitchen gadgets. The second product on our list is the Instant Vortex Pot Air Fryer. This product has a clear cook window to monitor cooking without opening the basket, and advanced technology that allows airflow for a golden finish and crispy, tender result all the time. It comes with a non-stick dishwasher safe air fry basket and tray that makes cleanup a snap. The product has a 6-in-1 function that can air fry, bake, broil, dehydrate, reheat, and roast. It also has a progress bar that indicates when to turn or add food, and an easy view bar to know where you are in the cooking process. It has a digital touch interface to allow fast and exact control for easy product use. It's a must-have, perfect for quick meals, preparing side dishes, appetizers, and lots more, and a great addition to any kitchen. It has little preheating time, from frozen to golden in minutes. Create refined meals with the versatility of a temperature range of 95 to 400 degree F. Its pros are: 1. It uses rapid air technology to ensure crispy results with little or no oil. 2. It ensures easy cleanup with dishwasher safe accessories. Its con is: 1. Have a smaller cooking drawer. Finally, the first and cheapest air fryer on our list is the Instant Vortex Mini Air Fryer. This air fryer is a budget-friendly model that offers the basics at a lower cost. It has a simple control interface with manual temperature and time settings. It is produced in 4 color variants: red, aqua, black, and white. It's got a 4-in-1 functionality, which includes air fry, bake, roast, and reheat. A customizable program for one-touch wings, roasted veggies, and lots more, with little to no preheating time, perfect for 1-2 servings, creating meals with the versatility of a temperature range of 120 to 400 degree F. It also comes with a non-stick dishwasher safe basket and tray. It has a compact design with a pop of color and combines function and style in a countertop-friendly size, which makes it ideal for smaller kitchens and singles. While affordable, it may lack advanced features and functionality and have a smaller cooking capacity than pricier options. It has built-in safety features like overheat protection, auto off, and more to keep your mind at ease. It also includes the free Instant Brands Connect app, where you can find new recipes to create quick favorites and prepare delicious meals, available on iOS and Android. Its pros are: 1. It has a temperature control system. 2. It is easy to use. 3. The dishwasher safe basket and tray make cleaning easy after use. Its cons are: 1. It is smaller in size too. The quality is less highly rated than the other products on the list. However, the cheapest air fryer offers a regular experience at a lower cost. Ultimately, the choice depends on your budget, cooking needs, and desire for advanced features. Thanks for watching. If you'd like this video and it helped you in any way, please give it a like and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.